Puffy eyes can be caused by various factors, including lack of sleep, allergies, stress, and diet. Incorporating certain minerals into your diet can help reduce puffiness and improve the overall health of your skin. Here are the top 5 minerals that can help cure puffy eyes. 1. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining proper hydration and reducing inflammation. It helps balance electrolytes, which can reduce fluid retention and puffiness around the eyes. You can find magnesium in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, avocados, and dark chocolate. Adding a handful of nuts to your daily diet or including leafy greens in your meals can significantly boost your magnesium intake. Magnesium supplements are also available if you find it challenging to get enough from your diet. 2. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body, preventing water retention that can lead to puffiness. It also aids in reducing sodium levels, which often contribute to swelling and puffiness. Sources of potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, white beans, yogurt, and salmon. Snacking on bananas or adding them to your smoothies. Including sweet potatoes in your meals, and opting for potassium-rich snacks like yogurt can help incorporate more potassium into your diet. 3. Zinc is essential for skin health and repair. It helps reduce inflammation and can enhance the immune system, which in turn can reduce puffiness caused by infections or allergies. You can find zinc in meat and poultry. Shellfish like oysters and crab, legumes such as chickpeas and lentils, seeds like hemp and flax, and nuts like cashews and almonds. Incorporating zinc-rich foods like legumes and seeds into salads and soups, and considering zinc supplements if you have dietary restrictions that limit your intake, can be beneficial. 4. Iron is crucial for healthy blood circulation. Poor circulation can lead to dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. Adequate iron levels ensure that oxygen is properly transported to cells, reducing the risk of puffy eyes. Sources of iron include red meat, spinach, lentils, quinoa, and tofu. Including iron-rich foods like spinach and lentils in your daily diet, and pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich items like citrus fruits can enhance iron absorption. 5. Calcium helps maintain fluid balance in the body and can reduce water retention. It also supports healthy skin and reduces the risk of inflammation that can cause puffiness. You can find calcium in dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, leafy green vegetables such as broccoli and kale, almonds, sardines, and fortified plant-based milks. Including dairy or fortified plant-based milks in your daily diet and snacking on almonds or adding leafy greens to your meals can provide an extra calcium boost. Incorporating these minerals into your diet can help reduce puffy eyes and improve overall skin health. While dietary changes can have a significant impact, it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including adequate sleep, hydration, and stress management. If you continue to experience persistent puffiness, consider consulting a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions.